Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, of course, updates need to be done. Another wild day, crazy movement. And the big question going into today was, wow, what a strong close on Friday. Huge volume, nice surge. So going into the new week, the valid question became, is this the start of something bigger? Is there any sort of genuine power behind that movement? And we got our answer today very quickly with a massive gap down. No, there is not any sort of true power behind that. That was just simply a dead cat bounce, whatever you want to call it. That's a very easy rationale because, well, the price just totally went not only back to where it started, being, down around the 250 mark, but actually went all the way down below the 240s today. So like I said, from that point of view, the final surge from Friday just proved to be a dead cat bounce. Now, the one update that does need to be put into play comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So that is still one of the overarching levels of resistance is up there at 260. But in my mind, the more so near-term level of resistance that I'm curious about going forward is going to be right here at the 251 mark. So let's call it 251.50. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see, generally speaking, this actually had quite a bit of a track record. And then you fast forward to this afternoon, and several times the price tried to get up above that level and can never quite do it. So if there's any chance at all of this thing making another go up there at 260, the price first needs to prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself, I'm defining as getting up above and staying up above that 251.50 mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy here at all, other than the fact of where the bleeding stopped today, right down there at 237.50. And then if 237.50 cannot hold up, I'm going to actually go to the weekly time frame here. Because as you see here, it's been a long time since the price has been down this low. But if 237.50 cannot hold up, then the next level I'd look for the price to go to is 233, if not even lower than that. But we'll see what happens with it going forward. But yes, the craziness continues, and it's only Monday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.